How to use Zillow Premier Agent to get more leads. First, let's understand what Zillow Premier Agent is. It is a platform designed for real estate professionals to connect with potential clients directly through Zillow. By becoming a Premier Agent, you get access to exclusive advertising opportunities and tools that help improve your visibility in the market. To get started, sign up for a Zillow Premier Agent account. This process involves creating a personalized profile that highlights your experience, skills, and past client reviews. A well-crafted profile serves as a digital business card, making a great first impression on potential clients. Next, leverage the advertising tools available. Use the budget estimator to determine the appropriate ad spend for your desired coverage area. Opt for display ads that appear on home search pages to increase your visibility among active home buyers and sellers. Consistent visibility can greatly improve your chances of connecting with serious buyers. To maximize your leads, ensure your contact information is always up to date and respond quickly to inquiries from prospective clients. Zillow's app and desktop access allow you to receive notifications and reply promptly, showing clients that you're accessible and dedicated. Utilize Zillow's CRM features to manage your leads efficiently. Organize your contacts, track communication history, and set reminders for follow-ups. This can help you stay organized, nurture leads efficiently, and ultimately convert them into clients. Don't forget to encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on your Zillow profile. High ratings and detailed testimonials can reassure new leads about your reliability and expertise. Finally, monitor your performance metrics provided by Zillow. Regularly reviewing insights like response time, click-through rates, and lead conversion helps you identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategy.